The California Lemon Law, in its applicability to new motor vehicles, contains what is known as the evidentiary presumption. This presumption applies to situations in which the same problem is subject to 4 or more repair attempts within the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, whichever comes first. The presumption also applies to problems that are likely to cause death or serious bodily injury and which are subject to 2 or more repair attempts within the first 18 months or 18,000 miles. And then lastly, the presumption applies to situations in which the new motor vehicle is out of service a cumulative total of more than 30 days within the first 18 months or 18,000 miles. So the presumption, if those elements are met or those facts are met, the presumption shifts the burden of proof on the issue of reasonable number of repair attempts. So the consumer would not be required to prove reasonable number of repair attempts. The defendant or the manufacturer would be required to prove that it did not have a reasonable number of repair attempts to conform the vehicle to the warranty. Now, manufacturers put literature in the new motor vehicle packets, and this is usually found in the warranty or a warranty supplement that describes the California Lemon Law. And usually the language in those supplements or warranties is very confusing and will lead one to believe that unless that presumption is met, they don't have a California Lemon Law claim. And in fact, that is just not true. The presumption does not have to be met to have a valid California Lemon Law claim. So, for example, let's say that a consumer has an automobile and the first warranty repair attempt happens at 20,000 miles, and then there's repeated warranty repair attempts of that same thing. That consumer may still have a valid California Lemon Law claim even though no repairs took place during the first 18 months and 18,000 miles. So it's important to note that even though the facts do not support the presumption found under the Lemon Law, a consumer may still have a valid California Lemon Law claim. So if you have any questions or would like to talk to me about problems you're having with your automobile or any product, feel free to give me a call at the number at the bottom of the screen, and I'd be happy to provide you with a free consultation.